regarding your experience on this particular app. Okay, so first I would just want to ask you, which is the 3D software that you use to model or to make your designs?
I have to ask somebody.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a 3D Max.
Okay.
We have Revit, but we don't use. Just a second, give me and SketchUp for the basic modeling.
Okay, now I have SketchUp. So it is 3D Max. SketchUp. I know.
Jay.
Should I continue?
Mitul, ask Weber, which are the software we
3D.
use to create 3D images, 3D models. I think 3D Max, Revit, SketchUp. And Vision, I think the Weber uses something Weber and Edge. Okay.
So it's 3D Max, SketchUp, and Revit.
I don't know the differences, but
Okay. So these are the three softwares that you. Okay, so now my next question is, I just have three more questions. Do you think this application is helpful and aids you to edit and view your 3D model of the building in a better way? If yes, how? If no, why not? Do you think it helps you to edit and view it in a better way, your 3D model?
so far as editing is concerned, yes, definitely it's quite an interesting software. Currently with the available softwares or the software that I mentioned, it has limitations. Like you can't edit. You have to make lots of effort to make it look like if it's a frame, then I'll generate this. But if I want to edit like so instantly, the way you showed me, that's not possible. It will take a couple of hours to kind of reach me to that level, which is like so swiftly and effortlessly we can.
I just click on the button.
So editing, yes.
And
regarding the perception of that particular object in an actual space through the camera or whatever, again, what we just saw, I have apprehensions because the human perception is very kind of, like if the cup is lying in that corner, if the cup has been generated through the software and whatever edited and whatever, and if I kind of project that cup in that particular space, the perception would be deceptive.
Okay.
That's what I feel personally.
Okay.
You understand?
And one more thing I would like to mention, this.
It might give you a kind of a, the judgment would not, wouldn't be that reliable.
Okay.
That's what I feel.
And one more thing I would like to mention, that the software that we downloaded is free. Okay, the Augmented desktop that I just showed you. Now, there's a paid version also, so that allows you to have even more edits and more features and icons. So it's even more. This will just
Advanced.
be
I would understand. I definitely understand.
Then, do you think that this application will help architects to make exquisite design shapes of buildings and make more visually beautiful buildings? Do you think so?
This is absolutely, it's quite debatable, and I have been, personally, I have been, not in favor of this, so-called, technical, help that we, on a regular basis, you can't function without these softwares. But it does matter. It definitely reduces your, work hours, the manpower, the efforts put into it would be
basically convenience.
But the quality of design would definitely, I feel that it should not matter much, because that is again, it has its limitation. It might not be used for betterment of design,
Design.
actually, but it can be used as a very good technical tool to minimize the efforts
Okay.
to create, good designs.
And do you think this application and the concept of augmented reality, can you think it can be the future of building design and viewing it?
Come again?
Do you think that this application that I'm doing my research on, called Augment, and the concept and technology of augmented reality be the future of building design and viewing the buildings in real
It
time?
will always remain a tool, I would
Okay.
feel. It would not kind of. It will be a help, like the software that we have and the designers or the architects that have been using. Definitely will be a huge help. It is a breakthrough concept, absolutely, no doubt about it. So it can open up, like, dimensions, like, you can, explore a field of design and architecture to mind taste of, to micro level, basically.
So, just coming to my last question, what do you think are the advantages and the disadvantages of this particular application called Augment?
Advantages, like I just said, as I mentioned, that it can.
It's a good tool.
So yes, it's a good tool in terms of exploring different possibilities in a very less time, with less efforts, and you can try out a lot of options. You can try out a lot of possibilities. And regarding the, I think, drawbacks or
Yeah.
disadvantages, I don't see any as such, because any software that we've been using, earlier the drawing making used to be manual. Then there was this AutoCAD, where the
Computer-aided design.
Yes, and then the editing and everything was very easy, and it saved a lot of time and effort. So ultimately, yes, I fundamentally differ that, like, drawing, like, I have never used computer for, as a primary design tool, But yes, for enhancement and development of the design, which is probably after conceptualization with a piece of paper and pencil, for the later stages for design development, the later stages of design development and drawing making, we have been taking help of it. So it's always a supportive tool, and it has always been a supportive tool. Though, I mean, most of the people, they design on, they can design, or probably I must be the odd one out in today's age and time. But yes, I very strongly believe that, like, coordination of hand and brain cannot be replaced by, a mouse and brain. That's what I very strongly believe in. See, because it's a sensorial aspect of, creating something is a sensorial experience. It cannot be, definitely I have my apprehension that with the machine, you cannot, it should always be used as a tool and
To enhance your imagination.
yeah.
So I think that's it. Those are the questions. Thank you so much for your time and response.
Thank you so much. I think I learned a lot today.